Friends, a common problem faced by a lot of people these days is back pain. There are many reasons for back pain like arthritis, obesity, wrong posture, heavy weight lifting. So there are many reasons for back pain. If you are suffering from back pain for a long time, so this video is especially for you. So any further delay, let's start the video. So we will come on a tabletop position. The distance between the palm should be according to the shoulder and the distance between the knee is according to the hip. The body will look like a actual table. So when we inhale, we lift the chin up, we lift the chest up and then we press the lower back down. And when we exhale, we will exhale by lifting the lower back up, middle back up and lift the upper back up. Then trying to bring the chin down to the chest. So when we inhale, we move from up to down, from the head to the chest to the lower back. And when we exhale, we move from down to up, from lower back, middle back, upper back and then into the head. सांस लेते हुए हमें ऊपर की ओर जाना है जिसमें हमारी चिन और चेस्ट अप साइड रहेंगी और लोअर बैक प्रेस करेंगे। नाउ सांस छोड़ते हुए हमें नीचे की ओर आना है जिसमें हमारी लोअर बैक अपर बैक हमारी ऊपर की ओर रहेंगी और चिन हमारा नीचे की ओर रहेगा। सो एज यू इनहेल गोइंग टू द काउ पोज and as you exhale coming to the cat pose. This will increase the mobility in the spine and also increase the mobility in the pelvis. Do this for some time, maybe about 5 to 10 repetition. हमें बस ध्यान रखना है कि हमें सांस लेते हुए ऊपर की ओर आना है और सांस छोड़ते हुए नेक को नीचे की ओर रखना है। Next we will do child pose, also known as Balasana. Hands forward, shoulders are down and away from the ear and drop your head. Just relax like this. Keep holding the position, keep breathing the position as it is. It will help you to relax, especially after fatigue, after tiredness or after straining or doing more beyond the capacity. So hands are forward, neck is long. Don't let it become too short. Neck is long drop. Keep breathing here for a while. Complete breathe, expanding the chest, allowing the abdomen also to come out to this feeling of calmness, and this rhythmic breathing will relax the mind more deeply. यहीं पर आपको लंबी गहरी सांस लेती रहनी है पेट से. Now next we will do sphinx pose, also known as Salabh Bhujangasana और बैक बेंड चेस्ट ओपनिंग आसना. यह आसन हम पेट के बल लेट के करते हैं. दिस आसन इज डन इन प्रोन पोजिशन. सो फर्स्ट lie on your abdomen. The starting position is feet together. Shoulder elbow is possible in one line. Chest is open nicely and you are looking in front. Head is not getting shorter. The neck is tall. Now remain this position for a while. After remaining this position for about 10 to 15 seconds, people who suffer from a spinal disorder or lower back problem, so let's do this holding the position, allowing the chest to remain relaxed by open up shoulder, open nicely and away from ear. Breathe from the ear. Inhalation, feel the spine rising. Exhalation, feel the spine dropping. Next we will do Makrasana, also known as crocodile pose. अब अपने दोनों घुटनों को फोल्ड करना है और ऐसे स्विंग करना है आराम आराम से. अप, फोल्ड एंड डाउन. इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल. अप एंड डाउन. धीरे धीरे स्विंग करता रहना है. ये है मकरासना. आपको यही पोजीशन पे, मकरासना की ही पोजीशन पे अपने दोनों लेग्स को स्विंग करता रहना है, अप साइड एंड डाउन साइड. इसमें जो आपका लोअर बैक पेन है उसमें रिलीफ पड़ेगा. स्लोली कम बैक. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी विल डू इज सुपाइन स्पाइनल ट्विस्ट, ऑल्सो नोन एज सुप्त मत्स्येंद्र आसना. सो ये आसन हम पीठ के बल लेट के करते हैं. सो लाई डाउन ऑन योर बैक, bend your knees, Now as you breathe out, twist. सांस छोड़ते हुए हमें दोनों घुटनों को एक तरफ मोड़ना है और दोनों हाथों को आसमान की ओर रखना है। होल्ड करना है 5 to 10 सेकेंड। Breathe normal. Now as you inhale, come back. Now as you breathe out, twist another side. Same, hold करना है 5 to 10 सेकेंड। Now as you inhale, come back. Next we will do is happy baby pose, also known as Anand Balasana. I'll take out, bend the knee, hold my big toe, the knee and the ankle should be in one line. Make it out and maintain that position. Now slowly come back. Now we will do Pavan Muktasana. So bend your knees to the chest and down slowly. Hug the knee to the chest. This is Pavan Muktasana. Now release. Now deep inhale and deep exhale. Now relax. I leave you here. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, share and like the video. For more yoga related video, do check my channel. Thank you.